Oh, coming up now to 10 minutes before the top of the hour. Remember the folks who brought us the Obama girl video, I Got a Crush on Obama? This time they're back, and this time they're sending a message to the troops that's sure to get their attention. Take a listen.
There it is. It's the new video called I Like a Boy, and if it keeps playing, you'll see it's not those preppy guys they like. No way. It is there you go, the brave Army man instead. This video went up on YouTube this morning, a joint effort by barelypolitical.com and the Iraq and Afghanistan Veterans of America, and they're calling on all military families to send in their own video as well. They've actually put up some of the hellos from some of the people who have loved ones serving overseas. So it is really neat. Amber Lee Ettinger, she's Obama girl, appears in the video, as well as Paul Rykoff. He is with the Iraq and Afghanistan Veterans of America. Both of them join us now. Thanks for being with us.
Thank you for having us.
So where did the idea come from to do this?
Well, we have the largest Iraq veterans group in the country, and a few months ago we heard about Obama Girl. It was this internet sensation that had swept the world, and we figured it's great that Obama likes all these political figures, but what about the men and women serving in Iraq? Right. So we teamed up with Barely Political and came up with this concept, and Amber stepped up and we created this fantastic song and a great video that shows our love for the troops serving overseas and here at home.
Amber, did you expect all of the attention, first of all, from the Obama Girl video?
No, it still amazes me. I mean, it just reached such a diverse audience, and we got so much positive feedback. Like, it's unbelievable. So doing this video, I was so excited because I knew it would be a great thing for the troops, and I really support the troops. My dad was in the military for 23 years, so when I told him about it, he was thrilled.
Yeah, he went to Vietnam at the age of 18.
Yes.
Right? Mm-hmm. So he's the same age as a lot of these people who are serving over in Iraq and Afghanistan. And Paul, you were with the 3rd ID during the initial invasion there for about a year after that. So this is something that's very close to your heart.
Absolutely. Yeah, so it's great to work on.
So you have a chance to work on this, and there are some other people featured in it besides Amber, including, are they wives and girlfriends of troops that are over there right now?
They are, absolutely. We've got a number of vets who are recently home from Iraq who are in the video, and then we've got a number of wives and girlfriends who put videos together to show their love for the folks serving overseas. We've also got the rap star Mims involved. He's had a hit single called This Is Why I'm Hot, and he's contributed his effort as well. And it's really a great collaboration. Everybody getting together. It doesn't matter where you come from politically. You can show your love for the troops and check out the video on YouTube and at iava.org and barelypolitical.com.
And you can also download it from iTunes. And then the proceeds from that is what, 99 cents typically on iTunes? Is that what it's going to be selling for? Yep. Proceeds go to your organization?
Yep. We're a nonprofit organization with member veterans in all 50 states, and we're working on issues ranging from post-traumatic stress disorder to traumatic brain injury, trying to get those families and vets the support they need and deserve. So this is really going to help tremendously, and it's a great thing. It's a great way to say thank you to all those folks who are in harm's way every day.
You know, I'm curious, Amber, how did you get involved in the first place with the first video you did, Obama Girl?
Ben Rellis, he's the creator of barelypolitical.com. He found me online on my website and approached me with the idea. And Leah Kaufman is the singer of Obama Girl, all the songs, and of this video as well.
Sings this one.
Yeah. So I thought the video was great, the concept was great and silly and fun, and
Did you really have a crush on Obama?
If I didn't, I definitely do now.
Hey, just one last question. This is going to be a living, breathing, evolving thing because you're still asking people, as we saw some of the people in this video, to lip sync along to the song with a picture of their loved one who's overseas in Iraq or Afghanistan, and you'll keep updating the videos with
Absolutely. This is what the interactive web is all about. It's going to be on MySpace and Facebook and YouTube, and people can send their videos in if they're overseas or here in the States, and we'll have a new video up in a few weeks.
Oh,
that's very exciting. Okay, once again, it is called I Like a Boy, and you can get it on iTunes or you can get it on your website as well. Thanks to both of you for coming and sharing it with us. Pretty neat.
Thank you
very much.
It's great to be able to debut that.
How about it?
Amber Lee Ettinger and Paul Rykoff from the Iraq and Afghanistan Veterans of America. Thanks. Good to see you.
Thank you both.